Snowstorm in Ohio. Freak snowstorm in Ohio. Look at that snow. We measured it with a ruler, a yardstick. It's 20 inches. 20 inches. We measured it in a couple spots. Look at the car. Snow on top of that car. That's a SUV, so it kind of sits high, but it's just ridiculous. Yeah. Just use a snow blower, or just use a leaf blower on it. Blow it away. Yeah, right. Unreal. This is one day. It started snowing yesterday about 4 or 5 o'clock. So we're talking 24 hours plus a little bit. So it's 24 hours and 6. So what, 30 hours worth of snow. And it hasn't really snowed hard. It's just kind of coming down a little bit. It's just constant, pretty much. Unreal. And I don't even think it's lake snow. It's just a regular storm. Most of it's light and fluffy, so it's kind of easy to shovel. It's just that it's really deep.